Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. The holidays are upon us, and it's also fresh cranberry season. So today I'm going to show you how to make a festive cranberry salsa that you're going to love. So the ingredients are pretty simple. All you need is a fresh bag of cranberries. This is a 12-ounce bag. 1 bunch of green onions. 1 bunch of cilantro. 1 jalapeno. 3/4 cup of sugar. And 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. 1 block of cream cheese. And the chips or crackers of your choice. And that's it. That's all you need. The first thing we're going to do is chop our cranberries in a food processor. You could chop them with a knife, but it would just be such a pain. This is so much easier. So just take the whole bag, put them in, put the lid on, and then I just use the pulse button to chop them. Now how easy was that? Then I'm going to take my chopped cranberries and pour them into a bowl. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and stir that together. Oh, it's already so beautiful. And I'm just going to set this aside while I get my other ingredients ready. So I've already washed these, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stack them together so that I can chop them all at once. I'm just going to take the ends off. Like that. And I'll take these ratty ends off too. I'm going to use the whole green onion. And now I can just chop away. Just kind of hold on to them with my fingers, my curved fingers, and then I just chop right through. Then I'm just going to gather my green onions and put them into the bowl with the sugar and the cranberry. Next, I'm going to take my cilantro and I'm just going to leave it in the whole bunch. Like I said, I've rinsed it already, and I'm just going to shave that leaves off the stems. Then I'm just going to take and throw my stems away. Now all I have is the leaves, and I'm just going to give them a rough chop. Just going to run my knife through a couple of times. And then I'm just going to put all the cilantro into the bowl too. The next ingredient we have is a jalapeno. Now this one is ginormous, so I'm probably going to use only half of it. I don't want my salsas to be too hot. Just going to trim off the sides like that. And this gets rid of the ribs and the seeds, and then whatever seeds are left I'm just going to brush off. Just going to chop them straight down to make straight little julienne strips. And then turn them to the side. Hold on to them with my fingers. And chop them through. And then I'll add those to the bowl. It's probably about 1/4 cup. Lastly, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Then I'm just going to mix those things together. Oh, it smells so good. Look how beautiful it is with the green and the red. Oh, so festive and fun. Now, as long as your sugar has had a chance to dissolve, you can use this right away. Otherwise, put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. When you're ready to serve it, take a block of cream cheese that's been softened and put it on a platter. Now this makes quite a bit of cranberry salsa. Some people like more salsa than cream cheese. I happen to like more cream cheese than salsa. So often I'll use 2 blocks of cream cheese and I'll just put them the other way and then together and then put the salsa over it. But after you put the cream cheese down, then you just put the salsa right over the top. And when you serve it, sometimes it's hard to know that there's cream cheese under there. So what you might want to do is just expose it with a spreader, so people know that there's cream cheese in it. And you can serve this with a variety of crackers or tortilla chips if you want. First time I had this, I was at a Christmas party, and my friend Murray brought this to the party, and she served it with wheat thins, and those are my favorite. I became instantly addicted to this appetizer, so I got the recipe from her. And now I'm giving it to you. Just take a little wheat thin, a little cream cheese. Make sure you get some salsa. It's just heaven. That's all there is to it. It's sweet, it's savory, it's salty. Got that beautiful jalapeno in the background, some cumin. And it's a beautiful color for your holiday parties. And it's sure to be a favorite. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.